Hi, this is Nimrit Kaur Ahluwalia and you're watching me on Filmy Beat. Journey has been nothing short of it's been fantastic. मैं in fact जिससे भी मिल रही हूँ in terms of my colleagues or like my friends in the industry मैं सबको यही बोल रही हूँ that अगर आपको इस शो का हिस्सा बनने की कोई you get the opportunity, you should definitely take it. Truly once in a lifetime experience और you understand a lot about yourself in the process of those 40-45 days. Even during Big Boss, I remember what I understood was that I'm mentally very strong. Shalin, I'm so happy that Shalin और मुझे वो मौका मिला to actually discover a friendship.
Hi guys, this is Kinnari Singh. Welcome to Filmy Beat and we have Nimrit with us. जर्नी आई थिंक सारे ही कंटेस्टेंट के लिए काफ़ी स्पेशल रही है बट वी हैव सीन कि आई डोंट नो वेदर इट वाज फॉर दिस शो या फिर ऐसे ही बट यू रियली वर्कड रियली हार्ड ऑन योर फिटनेस ऑन योर फिजिकल हेल्थ विच आई एम श्योर विल काइंड ऑफ ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव योर मेंटल हेल्थ ऑल्सो. सो सबसे पहले तो बताइए अब क्योंकि ये जर्नी खत्म हो चुकी है किस तरह की ये जर्नी रही है, हाउ मच हैप्पी चैलेंजिंग कैसा रहा ये सफर?
Journey has been nothing short of it's been fantastic. मैं in fact जिससे भी मिल रही हूँ in terms of my colleagues or like my friends in the industry मैं सबको यही बोल रही हूँ that अगर आपको इस शो का हिस्सा बनने की कोई you get the opportunity, you should definitely take it because truly once in a lifetime experience और you understand a lot about yourself in the process of those 40-45 days. So that, and thank you for telling me, for just acknowledging the fact that you see a change and like you said, it wasn't specifically for this show. ये एक ऐसी चीज़ थी जो मुझे अपने आप के लिए करनी थी because we have spoken about this in the past also and I think with respect to my physical attributes and the weight gain that had happened and everything, वो एक अलग ही extreme था मेरे लिए and that was also a lot to do with my health and my mental health. So I had to do this any which ways, but I think the timing of everything fit so right that जैसे ही मैंने खतरों साइन करा and then it just pushed me even more. You just start feeling that okay, now I have a purpose, even stronger purpose to achieve it. So that happened and like you said, endorphins make us happy, so that was also much needed.
But Nimrit, tell me one thing, especially in today's time and if I talk about today's generation, a lot of people actually want to work on their physical health because अब तो ये सबको पता चल गया है that if you are physically fit, it will help to get a better mental health. But बहुत लोगों से ये हो भी नहीं पाता. Sometimes it's because of laziness, lack of motivation. What was the point in your time? अगर खतरों के खिलाड़ी को हटा दे, when you said कि अब तो करना है, now I have to be serious on this thing.
So it wasn't that I was never serious on this. If you, it wasn't like I was never serious about it before also. Like I started my journey into the entertainment industry with pageantry, with modeling, with Miss India. So I've pretty much looked like this when I started too, right? Then of course when one started doing television, I had multiple changes and fluctuations with respect to आपको कितना time मिल रहा है, वो कब कितना हो पा रहा है, sleep cycle proper है या नहीं, XYZ. But the extreme that I went to only happened because of me suffering from depression and anxiety and the antidepressants that I was on. So we all know कि when you are on such heavy dosage, and I know other people who also have faced it, is when that your body does react in this manner and फिर जो weight lose होता है वो weight loss becomes very very difficult. So I remember I put on about 22 odd kilos over a span of 6 months. And the most frustrating thing used to be कि यार मैं तब भी workout कर रही थी, I was eating right, but I did not see any result. So that led to immense amount of frustration from within because you're not seeing any result and you want to see some sort of progress. Then as luck could have it, one went on a reality show where the world was seeing me and judging me in a certain way and labeling me in a certain way. But again, I through the course of that, so even during Big Boss, I remember what I understood was that I'm mentally very strong. Because if I can get rid of my antidepressants at that point and then enter a show like that and still come out strong and victorious, then I can do anything. That's what I felt. And of course, immediately like post the show, even during inside the Big Boss house also, I used to work out. And I had lost about 10 kilos. But what's important to also understand is that when you go through something, so you know, I'm sure people with PCOS, PCOD would actually relate to this also, is that it becomes very, very difficult and it's normal. But I think it's just consistency is key. And I don't know if it is, I mean, lack of motivation happens, laziness happens. I think it's a lot to do with how badly you want it.
Okay.
You know, and it's not just always those reasons. मुझे पता है कि आज की डे एंड एज में हमारी लाइफस्टाइल इतने स्ट्रेसफुल है, हमारे पास वक्त नहीं है, 4-4 घंटे हमें कम्यूट करने में लग जाते हैं अपनी काम की, you know, अपने ऑफिस पहुंचने में. So I don't blame people for, because it is hard, but I would just say, I'm really going to smack you. I would just say that it's very important to keep at it, you know, and prioritize, because in the longer run, I've learned it the hard way. But if your body and your mind and you know supports you, only then can you do anything in life.
Right. Last two question. I heard one of your interview, I think खतरों, आप रोमिंग ने जाने से पहले आपने वो इंटरव्यू दिया था जहाँ पे किसी ने आपको पूछा था, या फिर आई थिंक आपने कहा था कि you're not someone, आप वो एक्टर नहीं है जो हर रेड कारपेट पे जाके अपनी presence, you know.
Yeah, I mean, super pissed at that person. The way he asked me that question was very condescending, and it had happened a couple of times before that also, which is when I gave it back to him.
But tell me निम्रत, ये जो रेड कारपेट अपीयरेंस होती है, कई बार तो ये भी होता है कि एक्टर्स जाते हैं इसलिए बिकॉज अवार्ड मिला तो आएंगे, प्रेजेंस मिल के, वी ऑल नो दैट स्टफ, बट टू हैव दैट सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, आई विल वर्क ऑन माय स्किल एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी समवन जो बस जाएगा एंड यू नो विल मेक देयर प्रेजेंस, यू नीड अ सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. वर यू ऑलवेज सिक्योर, या आपने डेवलप किया है धीरे धीरे?
I think I'll be wrong in saying that I was born this way. You know, we all have our own set of insecurities every now and then. I till date go through a lot of insecurities, and I'm sure so do you, and so do
everyone.
Yeah. So I wouldn't say that, but yes, what I do mean to say is that I would, for me, what I've realized is with age, with maturity, and with experience, is that for me my time is very important. You know, so if I can spend time in a better constructive way, I would much rather do that. And by that statement, what I actually meant was that I would want that when I'm walking into a room, I would want to be there with a particular reason, which could perhaps be promoting something, or perhaps be presenting an award, or perhaps having a discussion. And of course, time is money, so I wouldn't want to just be there everywhere because it's important to be seen. Being seen, as per me, does not fetch you work. What fetches you work, I mean, it does. I'm not denying that. But I mean, you don't see everyone attending everything. You don't. It doesn't happen like that. And ultimately, what's going to really translate? So for me, you know, what I've realized is that it's very important to not be everywhere at all times. And this is my understanding of it, right? And I could be absolutely wrong, but this is what works for me. You know, like time is money. I would want to go to places where I feel that there is a purpose of me to be there and not just be there. And I don't know why people feel that if you're not being seen, you're not working towards something. You know, that's the notion, and that's the way that journalist had even asked me. Like that was the direction that he was hinting at.
To push you.
Yeah, he was like, "आप कहीं दिखी नहीं, so what अगर मैं दिखी नहीं?" And I'm sorry, but like, work only comes to you when you audition for it. You know, I mean, for me, going to an audition is way more important and way more fruitful than going to a certain particular place looking a certain way, because at the end of the day, those places are perhaps not going to materialize into work for me. And I know that about myself, right? And I mean, I see so many actors, great actors, they're not attending every event.
True.
So does that mean that they're not working? I mean, and attending events is also important. Like it's all a part of our job, but where I choose to go and not go is something that I can take a decision for myself. So to that guy who would ask me, "Sir, I am working. I've been working, and I still may not be seen on many carpets."
Bang on answer. Okay. The last one, quickly, this is the last answer. शोना said, वो आपसे सबसे ज़्यादा करीब है. आपने
Yes.
बोला भी कि आप उनके मिनी वर्जन हो.
Yeah.
करण ने कहा कि आप और शालीन सखी बन गए थे, इनसेपरेबल बन गए थे. तो चलो इस पे फटाफट रिएक्शन बस दे दो.
True and true. Shimona and I, it's very true. I think the way we think is very similar. I think she's a very confident, very independent, very sorted girl who doesn't mince her words, and I love that about her. And Shalin, you know, I'm so happy that Shalin और मुझे वो मौका मिला to actually discover a friendship.
मुझे अब बिग बॉस क्लिक हुआ.
Yeah,
But,
but yeah, but it's true because the way we were during Big Boss is not how we were here, and we were constantly pulling each other's leg. And not just that, जब हमें एक दूसरे को support करना था, we were there, and that perhaps comes from the fact कि at the end of the day हमने 100+ दिन साथ में बिताए हैं, you know, and there is that warmth. And I think off camera when you bond, you actually bond for real because कोई ऐसे pretense नहीं चल रहा होता. It's genuine bonding, and I'm just happy that happened.
Okay, anything you want to say to your fans?
Guys, I'm super excited as you can see behind that, you know, Khatron Ke Khiladi starts on 27th July. Please go watch it. I am super proud of what I've done. Irrespective of my luck, my conditions, the situation, never did I give up, and I'm very proud of myself for that. And I know that you guys will be too. So please watch.